Okay, let's take a first look at unboxing of the SoundPEATS Air 4 Pro earbuds, as you can see there. So there's the packaging as well. Some nice packaging there for SoundPEATS as always. A bit more about some of the different features about it there, but let's jump in and have a look at it. We'll go through that as we talk through it. Now, there's the package, so we'll go straight to the earbuds actually before that. I'll put that to the side. So have a look, here's the earbud case just here. Now, doesn't that look nice? And as always with SoundPEATS, I love the minimalist design as well. They've got a luxury feel without being too much. And open it up and you've got the headphones just there. So there's the earbuds. Now the earbuds have 6.5 hours charge in each earbud, which is great. You also get up to 26 hours with the charging case as well. Now there are the earbuds themselves. Now that they look really, really nice. Now they have hyperactive noise cancelling in them too. So they use an active processor to analyze environment and reduce the external noise. They've also got apxt voice technology, so it gives high definition sound quality, which we're going to go and test out shortly as well. Now, each of these have a 13mm dynamic driver built into them too, which is good for sound quality. You want to have a good driver in place to have that sound coming out really, really nice. Now they use Bluetooth 5.3 connection too, so it's just below 5.4, but it's pretty much a standard for what comes in these days. And go back to the case itself. Now it's magnetic, so you pop them in there like this, like that, and they don't come out obviously when you turn them over. See, like that. USB-C charging on the back there as well, which is a pretty standard feature with most earbuds. So yeah, so they look really, really good. As you can see, there's the SoundPEATS Air 4 Pro earbuds.